In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox username. Open your Roblox, right? Now, before you be able to change your Roblox username, you need to have 1000 Roblox, right? You need to have 1000 Roblox. So before you're able to do this, I would strongly advise you all to get at least 1000 Roblox, right? So click on your profile if you already have it, right? So, okay, what you need to do, just click on this. From here, you're going to be able to buy some Robux, right? So it's going to be able to change your username. Once this comes up, you're going to be able to see the option where you can buy 1000, right? So I think this is it. This is the $9 one, right? So I suggest you all to get it, right, before you're able to change your username. So get this for yourself. So if you have had it, what you need to do now, click on this, right? Click on this edit profile. You're gonna see username, right? Click on username. If you have 1000 Roblox, yeah, you can be able to change your username, right? I strongly advise you to get it at first before you're able to do this, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.